thought I'd make this video because I just received a product that is totally brand new, and it fits a niche that is not really being serviced very well, at least in our market. And you know, we've done this time and time again in the past with other brands, and it just didn't sell very well. But this one kind of looks very promising. It's very nicely done. It's made in Italy, and it's a very high quality product. And this is a product from Z1 Concept. So this is the same company that makes milkshake products. You know, and most people that have already been buying milkshake know the quality of their products. So it's been teased in the back of their the recent magazine, and we finally got it in. And we've got this really nice promotion where you can try 5 of their top selling products for a very low price. But I'm not going to tell you the price, but this is what the product looks like on the flyer. And it's basically a normalizing shampoo, refreshing conditioner, a matte paste, clay pomade, and a texturizing dust. All right, so I'm going to show you these one by one. And to be straightforward and honest, I've only tried 2 of these products so far. And why I didn't try more of them, it's just because I didn't have them with me. So the first product I tried, of course, was the Normalizing Daily Shampoo. And what's cool about this line is they have a numbering system. So they have a 100 series that is about their cleansers, and their 200 series is for their conditioning or conditioners and treatments, and then their 300 series is labeled as their styling products. So that's what the numbers mean. And these are 8.5 ounce size bottles, or 250 mLs. And so my first impression was I really liked the fragrance of it. It was like it wasn't exactly mint by itself, but it had mint, and it had like the fragrance of almost like a woodsy fragrance. I don't really know how to properly describe it, but it's a normalizing and toning shampoo for normal hair, ideal for daily use, formulated with delicate surfactants. So it doesn't have the really bad surfactants, but it has what most men need without, you know, being filled with a lot of bad ingredients. So it has a lot of extracts like aloe, leaf juice. There's some I can't even pronounce. Chorus, calamus, root extract. A lot of different root extracts. So it's a lot of earthy fragrances, I guess. But it's got a lot of good ingredients. So it lathered up nice. It just felt good on the head. And when it rinsed out, it gave my hair that squeaky clean feel, like that squeak. And, you know, a lot of guys love that, and I'm one of them. And then the refreshing conditioner was what I followed it up with. And again, this is the 201 refreshing conditioner. It's also 8.4 ounce size. The only thing about this was a little bit hard to get out of the bottle. It doesn't even run. But and these tops are kind of unique and different. Just like a pop top. I don't know if you can see that, but I can even smell it with the AC blowing this way. Very, very nice fragrance. And I'll tell you, it seemed like the women love these fragrances too, because my wife was the first one to open this up. She got into it because she just wanted to see what it was all about. And she loved the look of it, the fragrance. It also has a clay pomade and a matte paste. Now the matte paste is supposed to be a styling paste that delivers strong matte finish, pliable texture, spreads easily, adds definition, and keeps hair controlled, ideal for structured looks or clean everyday styles. And then the clay is a buildable hold that keeps hair controlled, polished, and effortlessly styled all day. Pliable, formless, shapes and defines styles without stiffness, enhances volume, keeping natural movement. I think they said the matte paste is a strong hold, where the clay is more of a medium, flexible hold. And let me just show you what these look like. So, show you the matte. This is the matte one. It's got a little cover on here so to keep it fresh. and you don't want to throw these out. What I've learned from manufacturers over the years, this is a no-no. You want to keep these with the product, because if you throw these out, what's going to happen, your product is going to dry out and not work the same. Another nice clean fragrance, kind of woodsy and earthy. So you know, let me see the texture of this. You can see it's just real smooth texturizing paste. I didn't use it today because I totally forgot that I needed to do it. And I've got a different texturizing paste on my hair, but it seems like it has a nice hold compared to what I usually use, which is another brand that I have. And so that's, ooh, just lost my top. I might have to find that. Okay, and then this is the Clay Pomade. Again, this is other safety seal on that, and then this is what that looks like. And this is a little stiffer feeling, like a clay should, but not so hard that you can't really get your fingers in it. So, you know, some clays you really have to dig in there and really emulsify it. So when you do get it, you want to emulsify it in your hands or in your fingertips, is what I usually do. And that looks like it's going to be a good product also. So, but that's not what my wife grabbed for. Her initial thing out of the box was this. She grabbed this. I'm like, what is this? And first thing she did, she didn't even read the directions or even, you know, see that it has a pump. She unscrewed it, and some of the product fell into her lap. But it's a fine dust. It's called Texturizing Dust. And let me tell you, she sprayed some of this in her hair, just a couple pumps. She worked it in, and she's like, oh my God, that works like immediately. And you know, she has fine, thin hair, and she needs that extra help to create texture and volume. So this is designed to, it's a matte volumizer, so it doesn't give any shine whatsoever. And it says it's a lightweight styling powder that delivers instant volume, grip, and definition with a matte finish. Perfect for adding lift at the roots and creating reworkable styles with a natural dry touch feel. So that's what it feels like when you put it in your hands. I'm afraid to even spray it, but you can't even see it. It's a very, very fine dust. Just that little bit I pumped went in my face. So, but a little bit goes a long way. And so this is a 0.25 ounce, just a quarter of an ounce. So that's pretty much the 5 products. One thing I do like about this is this is made by Milkshake, of course, or Z1 Concept, and it's designed for salons to retail. So if you want something unique and different that won't take away from your normal sales, unless you're selling your guys one of the other products that you normally do. Otherwise, this is something like a new niche that you can sell to that is just new to our area. And so it could be new to your area. And if you're interested and you're one of my customers and you want to bring this line in, we didn't bring in all of the products. You know, they told us that there's like 50 products in the line, something like that, because it's not just for hair, but it's also beard products and all that kind of stuff. So they actually contacted the another distributor or the company and asked them what are their top 10 products, and they gave them the top 10, and they decided, well, we're going to go a little bit further. We're going to bring in the top 18. So we have 18 of their top products, and we only have, from what I could tell, 1 of their beard products, which is like a beard oil. But I will be doing a deeper dive into the rest of the products, and if you haven't already seen my other video, I have another video that I made or that I'm making that will explain all the products. And of course, I've used AI to kind of go through all of that, but you'll get a gist of what they do. And then I'll probably make another video that goes in deeper on some of the other products that they have that might be of interest to you. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to keep this video short. As you noticed, I didn't edit anything, and my plan from here on out is to not edit hardly at all. I'm giving you the straight scoop. You're seeing, the product straight out of the box. It's not quite an unopening because my wife already opened it, but this is what the salespeople have to go and show their clients. This is, and I guess when you order it, it's going to come in a box like this. So that's it. All right, if you like this video, please like and share it. Share it to somebody that you think might be able to get some benefit of it. If you're a customer and you're interested in buying this product, ask your stylist for it. And if you're a stylist in my area, the Jacksonville market, and you don't already do business with me, reach out to me, message me on this platform, or just give me a call if you're one of my customers. Get a hold of these deals. It's at a great price. This is the only intro we have. There's no other intro to bring everything in. These are the top 5 products that you can try. And if you like these, you can just, bring in whatever you want. So we're not trying to load up everybody with a ton of products. You pick the products that you want to bring in and sell them to your customers and order what you need. No need to buy some big intro and wonder whether you're going to be able to sell it or not. Go small and try this Try Me kit. This is a great deal. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.